Hi everybody. What I'm going to show you how to do today is use VoiceThread. Now what you see in front of you is what we call a sandbox. It's used for training purposes only, but it looks like a Cougar View course. So the first thing you want to do if you've been assigned a VoiceThread is to log into your course and click on Content. You should have a module set up that reads VoiceThread. Click on that module and then click VoiceThread. This authenticates you into the VoiceThread system. Now my VoiceThread looks a little bit different because I've already got VoiceThread set up. But what you want to look for is that your name appears here with the @columbusstate.edu email. Up at the top here, you can click on the Home button. You can browse for different types of VoiceThreads, or you can create a VoiceThread. I'm going to create a VoiceThread, so I'll click here, Create. Now I'm also going to open this up in a new tab because it makes working with VoiceThread a little bit easier. The first thing it asks you to do is to add media. When it says add media, it means add a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet, a video, an audio. For the purposes of this training, I'm going to add a PowerPoint. I have a short PowerPoint on food art that I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm just going to drag it in. It asks me to give a title. And I'm going to save it. You can see that the VoiceThread is processing. Once your VoiceThread has finished processing, you'll see that each slide has been separated out. So after I've added the media, the next thing I want to do is comment on each slide. So click the comment button, and you see that the first slide is here and ready to make comments on. If I hover over this plus sign right here and then click on it, I have several different ways to make a comment on this slide. You can write text, you can phone it in with your phone, you can make an audio comment, a video comment, or you can upload a document. I'm going to make an audio comment first. So I just click the microphone, tell my system that I allow use of the microphone, and then you can see that it's recording. So I'm just going to say, this is my presentation on food art. And when I'm finished, I'll just click Stop Recording. Now while it processes, I have the opportunity, and then you can see that it's recording. So I'm just going to listen to the recording, and if I like it, I save it, or if I don't like it, I can cancel and re-record. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Once I do this, it processes. You see that my name appears here. And if I click down here on this arrow, I can move to the next slide. For the next slide, I'm going to make a video comment. I'm going to give the system permission to access my camera. And then there I am. I'm going to make a comment on this slide. We have Snoopy made out of something, bread maybe. We have an apple tree, and we have a crescent moon. When I've finished, I just hit Stop Recording. While it processes, I can wait, and then there I am. I'm going to make a comment on this slide. If I'm happy with it, I can save it, or I can cancel it and re-record. Again, Once I have finished and it's processed, my initials and my name appear here showing that I made a comment. Click the arrow at the bottom to advance to the next slide. Now, in addition to an audio comment and a video comment, you can click the plus sign and make a comment, and while you're commenting, also use the doodle tools. I'll show you how. So I'm making an audio comment, and as you see, there's a pencil right here. When I click on it, I'm able to choose a color and doodle on the slide. I can also choose for the doodle to fade if I like. I can change colors. And I can stop the recording, allow it to process. So I'm making an audio and then save it if I like it. Now these are the steps that you go through when you want to create a voice thread. Once you've finished creating, you can share the voice thread, you can make a copy of it, or you can get an embed code if you need to embed it into a discussion. If you share it, you have some basic ways. You can share it as a link. You also have the ability to allow anyone to view and comment, so make sure you get those checked off. You can also get an embed code, and you could post it to social media. You can also export your voice thread. And then giving information will show the information details. So now that you've created the voice thread, it will always appear on your home page. There's my food art, the one I just made. Now maybe you've been given instructions to view a voice thread that your instructor has made. And maybe you've been asked to make comments on this voice thread. If that's the case, when you log into VoiceThread through the course and click on the VoiceThread link, the voice thread that your instructor has created will show up here on your home page. Maybe they created a voice thread that asked you to discuss your perfect day. In that case, what you would do is you would click on the voice thread.
In this discussion, I want you to talk about your perfect day. We can see by the image here that Snoopy is relaxing, possibly watching TV. So what is your idea of the perfect day? And I want you to be sure and include activities for morning, noon, and night.
Okay, so we have our instructions. So all we need to do to complete this assignment is click on the plus sign and then make our comment. My perfect day would be at the beach, maybe in Panama City Beach, sitting on the side of the beach in a beach chair with the water flowing up on me. So then you have the opportunity, once it uploads, my perfect day would be at the beach, maybe in Panama City Beach. And if you like it, you can save it, and then your initials will fall under the instructors. If you have any other questions about how to access VoiceThread or create a VoiceThread, please reach out to me. My name is Kim, and you can reach me at area code 706-507-8647. Thank you.